Okay, so I want to congratulate you guys for making it to the final video of the Flawless Face application. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to complete this look with a nice contour. So in this video, I'll be using my Bare Minerals Bare Pro, and this is KingKouture, I guess, number 30 or whatnot. This is what it looks like here. And I'm going to use my Morphe R10 brush to contour. So what you want to do is, you want to get yourself in a nice mirror, and you want to see where you're placing your contour. Most people actually go right here, like in between your mouth, kind of, sort of, and that's kind of like where your cheekbones sit, but I like to go a little bit above that. So this right here is where you can poke at, and then right here is where you want to actually contour. So you want to take the brush and you want to just go back and forth. You can keep dipping in as much as you need. You want to keep going back and forth, and you want to connect it up into your ear. Usually you will see people go at the ear and come down, but I like to go a little bit above that. So you want to keep doing that, and then what I usually do is I start circling my brush in a circular motion. So you basically want to kind of diffuse your contour. You don't want no harsh contour, so you want to kind of go in circular motions to diffuse that, because if you just go back and forth, you're going to get just back and forth. So you want to keep doing that until you're satisfied with the depth that you've created. You don't want to come all the way to your mouth. That just looks horrible. So there you have it. You see how this side here has that contour and this side here is more flat. So this is what you want to do. And then you want to go ahead into your hairline. Once again, just going like this. And then you want to circle everything. Oh, I got brush hairs coming up. So you want to just go ahead and circle everything. And you come back down. And there you have it. So you see everything on this side is more so contoured and structured than this side. This side here is very flat. It looks good, but it's still flat. You want to make your face look normal and natural as possible. So that's why you really want to contour. Even if you're just, you know, leaving foundation, not even highlighting, you can always go in with a good contour just to bring some depth into your face. Some people like to go under here just to snatch their jawline a little bit more or whatnot, but this is exactly what you do when you do that. You want to go right up under your chin, right at the corner of it, and you want to go up. I don't always do this step, but it does kind of make your face look a lot slimmer than normal. And there you have it. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to kind of snatch your nose a little bit. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe E47 brush, and I'm going to use that same contour powder, and I'm just going to go ahead right here on the side of my nose, and I'm going to go up. And I'm going to go into my eyebrow section. I'm going to just keep doing the same thing, and then you want to do the same thing to the other side. What that's going to do is go ahead and pinch your nose. You want to bring it down here, and then you want to put some right here to lift your nose. You don't have to contour your nose just like me. Just depends on your nose shape. But for my nose being more wide, I want to basically pinch my nose in and then go right here to also make it appear longer. And smaller as well. And then you want to take a small blending brush and just blend that out. You don't want anything to be harsh, so you're just going to blend that out. Okay, so another tip and trick that I usually use, and you probably have seen this before, you want to take your beauty sponge and go back into some powder, And then you want to go ahead right in the middle and you want to carve that out. You want to carve that out. And then you want to also carve out your nose. So after you do this step here, you let this sit and then you dust everything away. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and spray yourself again and let that dry on its own. You can fan yourself or whatnot to make the process easier, but you can just go ahead and spray your face and let that dry and then you're finished. So after you go ahead and let this sit, you want to take that brush and dust everything off. And now that you've dusted everything off, now what you want to do is take your same setting spray, shake it up, and give yourself a good spritz. And once this go ahead and dry down, I'll come back with the flawless finish. This is the flawless finish here, and this is what it takes. This is where you get to when you follow everything that I've just did. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give this video a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so every time I post a new video, you guys will get the notification. Other than that, see you guys in my next video.